Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. It is almost 6:30 in the morning. I'm gonna have just half of, so there's these come in packs of 2. I'm gonna have half of one of these for a little pre-workout snack, and then I'll shower and get ready and then have some breakfast. But happy Monday. All right, I'm going to make some breakfast now. So I've been doing just a little yogurt and fruit bowl. So I have the Too Good vanilla yogurt. I really like this one, and the strawberry. And then I put some frozen wild blueberries, like 2 strawberries cut up, half a banana, and this is Dylan's grandma's homemade granola on top. And that is my breakfast. So I'm gonna make it, and then I will, Lily and grandma's homemade granola. You're right. All right, final product. I'm running a little late, so I need to go eat this. But this is Monday morning breakfast. 37. Baby just went to sleep. So I'm gonna have this as like a mid-morning snack. And oh my goodness. Why is this not working? Alright, I'm gonna have this as like a mid-morning snack because I'm really hungry. I get like really hungry after that breakfast for some reason. Like it doesn't fill me up. But I'm gonna do some work and have a little snack. This is today's lunch. I just did an English muffin cut into 4ths, I guess, and then avocado with everything with bagel seasoning, fried egg, jelly, peanut butter. Yum. Hi guys, I'm home from work now, and I'm just gonna have another snack. I'm gonna need to pack my lunch and start dinner soon. But I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna just munch on some blueberries and some pineapple. And I just want to let you know, because this is what I eat in a week. So I'm gonna munch on these, pack my lunch, start dinner, and then I'll let you know what we're having for dinner. I'm making a recipe I found on TikTok. So first you put cherry tomatoes in a dish, and then I just did olive oil, salt, and pepper. The oven is preheated to 425, and I'm gonna put these in for 35 minutes. Alright, so I have a cup of shallots, a tablespoon of, I browned butter, did a cup of shallots, a tablespoon of minced garlic, let that cook, and then I just put in some white wine, which smelled so good. But I'm not drinking during the week again. We're doing another little cleanse challenge thing. And then we have some angel hair that I cooked up. The tomatoes are in the oven. I turned the oven off because they're looking a little bit like burnt on the top, but I'm just going to leave them in there for a minute while I let the wine cook off. So then I'm going to put the tomatoes in there. I'm running with the pasta, and then I have parsley, basil, green onion, oregano, and lemon zest. I'm going to put that on top. I might do some red pepper flakes. Alright, this is the final dinner. It did burn it a little bit because I set the timer and went in the other room. But it looks really good. I just tried a little bit, and then I ended up adding a little bit of crushed red pepper and like a teeny bit of lemon juice. So this is dinner tonight. It's so hot tonight, so I'm gonna make some banana and ice cream. So I just laid out everything that you need, but I just do a few pieces of frozen banana. I keep these in our freezer. Whenever like bananas get really like mushy, I just cut them up and put them in a bag and put it in the freezer. And then you do some almond milk. And then on top, I'm gonna do like a strawberry or two, some mini chocolate chips, and a little bit of granola. And it's so good. Alright, and this is the final little dessert. I opted out of the chocolate chips because I remembered I said I was going to do no sugar this week. So just bananas, almond milk, strawberries, and granola. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning. I just woke up. What? I was trying to say I just worked out, but also was saying I guess I just woke up, but I didn't. I didn't just wake up. I just worked out. I'm going to have half a banana right now. Little post-workout snack, and then I'm going to go jump in the shower. Usually I eat before my workout. But today I just wasn't hungry, and now I'm hungry. So I'm gonna have half a banana, but happy Tuesday breakfast. Another day, another yogurt bowl. Today I have strawberry yogurt, but just frozen blueberries, strawberry yogurt, homemade granola, half banana, and 2 or 3 strawberries. Alright, I'm packing my lunch right now, so in case I forget, I'm just having the leftover pizza from the other night. I'm packing a nectarine, a banana, some fruit, a seltzer, another Cliff Bar. I think that should be good, right? Do I need chips? I don't know. Usually I bring popcorn, but maybe not. So I'm packing this all up. It's gonna be my lunch and snacks for the day in case I forget. I'll show you later.
Alrighty guys, so unfortunately we forgot to film what we were having for tonight, but here's a little preview from it. It was our cauliflower bowl, so do roasted cauliflower with some peppers and onions, and then toss in some corn and some black beans, not green beans, and a little bit more peppers and onions, and then just basically mix it all together.
So I forgot to film dinner, but I guess Dylan took care of it. I don't know.
Not really. I mean, I did as best as I could.
Oh. I'm just sitting here munching on some granola because it's so good. And I'm weirdly hungry. So I'm just picking at it, and then I remembered that I should tell you that I'm doing that. And it's so good. There's lots of nuts in it. And it's like the best. It's like different nuts. And there's like a lot of cinnamon, I think. I feel like there's maybe coconut, but I'm not sure. Alright, for my little like nighttime snack, I'm doing a little peanut butter and banana wrap. So if you haven't seen my videos before, I love these Mission Carb Balance flour tortillas. The wheat ones are not as good in my opinion, but I just love these. They're like 70 calories and they taste just like regular tortillas, so I just get these instead. And then for peanut butter, I use the Teddy's All Natural Smooth Peanut Butter. Put a little on there. I did half a banana, and this is gonna be my snack or treat or whatever you want to call it tonight. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning, another day, another yogurt bowl. I did like 3/4 of a banana today because I didn't have anything and I'm like starving. and then I just ate the rest. But 2 strawberries, most of a banana, blueberries, granola, strawberry yogurt. Happy Wednesday. Gonna have some water. Hi guys, it's 3 o'clock and I'm about to have a little Cliff Bar. I got out of work early, so I'm gonna have this for a little snack. I also had a bowl of like, it was like pineapple, strawberry, and blueberries for a snack like a half an hour ago, but I forgot to film that. So I wanted to let you know, I'm gonna have this, and then yeah, those are my snacks. We're having Tom over tonight and he's bringing some pizzas, but we thought we'd do a little chips and salsa as a little appetizer. So I'm starving. And it's only 5:30, but I'm like starving. So I'm gonna munch on these and then we're gonna have pizza in a little bit. All right, I literally just pulled these out of the recycling because I again forgot to film my dinner. Dang it, I'm really bad at this. But we had some pepperoni and some cheese, Newman's Own. I think I had 1 piece of cheese and 2 pieces of pepperoni. So that was my dinner. Wednesday night, we had a little game night and pizza night, and it was really fun. All right, tonight's dessert, mixing it up. I did 1 whole banana, 2 strawberries cut up, a few blueberries, and a little bit of peanut butter. I wasn't really feeling a wrap or an ice cream. I'm not like super hungry, but I still wanted to have something sweet, and I really wanted to have peanut butter because I love peanut butter. I don't eat that much of it these days, unfortunately. So, I have a little fork, which also has peanut butter on it, and I'm gonna go eat this. So, happy Wednesday. Hi guys, this is me editing this like weeks later, but I hope you enjoyed seeing what I eat as a full-time nanny. I didn't make it a week, I only did a few days, but this is like pretty much what I eat every day. It is changing up now that I'm working from home more, so if you want to see an updated what I eat in a week, because now I feel like it changes all the time, let me know and I can do that. These videos are really hard. Or maybe like, do you want to see what I eat in a day, or is it more fun to do like over the course of a few days? Let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!